Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by shutting the Mac down and waiting a short period so internal capacitors discharge. This reduces shock and component stress. Once done, unplug any peripherals and remove the battery if it's removable on your model to isolate power. Make sure you have the correct MagSafe 1 replacement cable and a plastic pry tool at hand. You're beginning the physical work now, so position the Mac with the hinge away from you and keep screws organized in a tray. You remove the bottom case with steady turns and keep screws in order so reassembly aligns perfectly. Consistency saves time. Then locate the MagSafe board and trace the cable route, noting any clips, foam pads, or adhesive that secure it. This prevents surprises during installation. Once visible, disconnect the battery connector to avoid any live circuits, and carefully unplug the MagSafe cable from its board connector using a plastic pick. Make sure not to bend pins. Alignment matters for a clean connection. You route the new MagSafe cable exactly as the old one was positioned, securing clips and adhesive so the cable won't rub or pinch. Correct routing prevents future failure. Once seated, reconnect the battery connector, replace the bottom case, and tighten screws snugly, not over-torqued. Now power on the Mac and watch the MagSafe LED for amber or green to confirm charging. If it fails to charge, make sure the connector is fully seated. Inspect pins for damage, and reseat the cable before concluding the repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.